Welcome. In this second video of the Network Automation series, we will go further to describe what is Python and automation tools. So let's continue. What is scripting? Any programming language that supports a script is known as a scripting language. It helps programmers to write programs for a distinct environment to automate the execution of several tasks which could otherwise be executed manually by a human operator, one by one. Scripting examples. Scripting is a useful tool for network automation, but typical manual tasks can be automated. Configuring switches and configuring routers. Configuration changes. Configuration management and troubleshooting. You need automation in networking to create a more efficient networking environment, improve network uptime, and prevent mistakes. Automation versus orchestration. Automation, well-specified tasks run on their own. Orchestration, automating a lot of things at once. Multiple tasks to execute a workflow. Automation is the first step towards orchestration. Automation tools. Python is used for network automation, but it's frequently used with other network automation tools for automating network monitoring, configurations, and maintenance activities. Some such tools are Ansible, Puppet, Chef, and SaddleStack, which are discussed below. Ansible is open-source software that helps to automate software configuration, management, and application deployment. It can configure routers, switches, and different types of servers. Similarly, the open-source software, Puppet, is a good tool for configuration management. It runs on Microsoft Windows and numerous Unix-like systems, and has its declarative language too for system configuration description. Chef is another tool for configuration management, written in Ruby and Erlang. It's built on a DevOps model and can help in building reliable, scalable systems. A Python-based open-source configuration management software, SaddleStack, serves as a remote execution engine. As it uses the infrastructure as code methodology for deployment and cloud management, it is a competitive tool and can be used in the replacement of Puppet, Ansible, and Chef. What is Python? Python is a clear, powerful, and general-purpose object-oriented programming language. The distinctive feature of Python is that it is an interpreted language. The Python idle, integrated development environment, executes instructions one line at a time from top to bottom and left to right. Some of Python's features. Some various features of Python that make it so powerful and popular. Easy. Python is very easy to learn and understand. Use a neat syntax, making the programs you write easier to read. Interpreted. It is interpreted language executed line by line. This makes it simple to get your program working, test, and debug. Object-oriented. The Python programming language supports classes and objects, and hence it is object-oriented and ideal for prototype development and other ad hoc programming tasks. Free and open source. The language and its source code are available to the public for free. It doesn't cost anything to download or use Python, which means there is no need to buy a costly license. Portable. Python is open source, you can run it anywhere, including Mac OS, Windows, Linux, or any other platform. Python large library. Python comes with an extensive standard library that supports many common programming tasks such as connecting to web servers, searching text with regular expressions, and reading and modifying files. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks.